Hello and welcome to our new video. A macro lens lets a photographer get up close to a minute and exciting details. Unlike regular lenses, macro lenses can focus at a very close range with excellent clarity. There are a few limits to what you can capture as a macro photographer. Some of the most famous objects to photograph are insects, flowers, and food. In this video, we're going to show you some of the creme products that are available on the market. Check out the description below for more information and its prices. Primarily produced for close-up shooting, the EF 100mm f/2.8L Macro IS USM of Canon is a handy L-series short telephoto prime that is also well suited for portraiture and other mid-range objects. As a macro lens, however, this 100mm gives a life-size 1:1 maximum magnification and an 11.8-inch minimum focusing range. Complementing close-up shooting, an image stabilizer is emphasized and minimizes camera shake by 2 stops at full 1:1 magnification or up to 4 stops at lower magnifications for sharper handheld shooting. Also contributing to smooth and natural handling, a ring-type USM and internal focusing design offers quick, quiet, and precise autofocus performance along with full-time manual focus override. Regarding its optical assets, one ultra-low dispersion component is featured to control color fringing and chromatic characteristics, and a super spectra coating has been applied to overcome flare and ghosting for enhanced contrast and color fidelity. Additionally, as an L-series lens, this 100mm f/2.8 is weather sealed for operating in inclement conditions. Created for close-up shooting, the Lumix G Macro 30mm f/2.8 ASPH Mega OIS of Panasonic is a 60mm equivalent prime lens meant for micro four third mirrorless digital cameras. Its macro abilities enable a minimum focusing distance of 4.1 inches along with a 1:1 magnification ratio for life-size imaging of nearby objects. One aspherical element helps to manage spherical characteristics and distortions, and a multi-layer coating lessens ghosting and lens flare for enhanced contrast and color fidelity. In extension to the optical performance, the lens also highlights a Mega OIS system which compensates for the consequences of camera shake for clearer handheld shooting. A stepping AF motor and internal focusing design offer fast, smooth, and near-silent focusing performance, and the rounded 7-blade diaphragm offers to a pleasing out-of-focus quality when working with selective focus and shallow depth of range techniques. Optimized for close-up shooting, the SP90mm f/2.8 DI Macro 1:1 VC USD lens of Tamron is a short telephoto prime, created for FX format Nikon F-mount DSLRs. Giving a life-size maximum magnification ratio of 1:1, this lens helps to work with small and nearby objects, and operates a floating system for maintaining image quality throughout the 11.8-inch to infinity focusing area. One low dispersion and 2 extra low dispersion glass components are included in the optical design to reduce chromatic aberrations and color fringing for clean, consistent sharpness and clarity throughout the magnification range. B-bar and E-band coatings have also been used to minimize flare and ghosting for enhanced contrast when working in stable lighting conditions, and a rounded 9-blade diaphragm provides a pleasing bokeh quality to benefit shallow depth of field imagery. As an update to the classic 90mm macro, this improved version is well suited to the high-resolution crop of DSLRs and combines timeless appeal and functionality with current imaging execution. Get up close and personal with the 1:1 magnification ratio of the full-frame cooperative FE 90mm f/2.8 Macro G OSS lens for Sony's E-mount cameras. As a G-series lens, it ideally balances sharpness and bokeh through the use of numerous specialized components. This guarantees highly detailed images with smooth out-of-focus areas and an independent minimum of aberrations. The lens also owns a fast f/2.8 aperture for controlling the depth of field and operating in less than ideal light, as well as a nano AR coating that will help kill ghosting and flare. Critical to macro is perfect focusing, which is supported by the speedy direct drive supersonic wave motor present in the 90mm lens. Users also have immediate access to a focus hold button and focus range limiter for additional optimization of the lens's performance in specific situations. On top of this, the focusing ring slides for instant switching within manual and autofocusing, and the lens has built-in optical steady shot picture stabilization for repaying for camera shake at all focusing distances. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.